Dr. Krishna Katawal, a research agronomist at the NDSU Dickinson Research Extension Center, is currently conducting a study with the aim to diversify the regional continuous wheat cropping system. The goal is for this to be accomplished by utilizing an integrated crop rotation paired with livestock grazing. This current research is based off an ongoing study conducted by Doug Landblom, beef cattle and integrated systems specialist, who began the study back in 2010 to 2011. Crop rotation and livestock integration have benefits such as improving soil health, enhancing soil structure, and increasing organic matter, promoting microbial activity and biological activity, breaking pest and disease cycles, reducing a buildup of wheat-specific pests, decreasing weeds, enhancing nutrient use efficiency, reducing soil erosion, reducing soil compaction, and increasing yield stability. Diversifying crops can help to buffer against climate and fluctuations in the market. Livestock grazing on forages or cover crops create feed sources while reducing biomass termination costs. Using livestock grazing also has positive effects, such as managing crop residues and suppressing weeds, while also promoting carbon sequestration and soil tilth from manure and hoof action. The 5-year crop rotation being used begins with spring wheat, being followed by a multi-species cover crop containing 60% legumes. With a previous study conducted by the Research Center, this multi-species cover crop included peas, turnips, clovers, oats, canola, and sorghum Sudan grass. The next year is silage corn, then a pea and barley mixture using 60% peas and 40% barley. Lastly, the crop rotation ends with sunflowers. The goal of using these crops is to be in alignment with nutrient needs and to emphasize nitrogen capture. So far, results have been positive, showing that nitrogen fertilization could be reduced significantly due to the use of legumes. Additionally, there was an increased profit of 34.5% using the crop rotation over utilizing a continuous wheat rotation and an average of 15% higher overall 5-year net return. So far, this study has not focused on how soil water management or other water dynamics is impacted by this crop rotation and livestock grazing. The study thus far has also not looked into how this rotation will affect wheat physiology, yield, and yield characteristics for improved overall production and profit. These data points are crucial to help better understand how different crop rotation strategies and livestock grazing practices influence water use efficiency, crop performance, and overall system productivity. Understanding these dynamics is essential for developing more sustainable and resilient dryland farming systems that can adapt to severe weather conditions, improve resource use efficiency, and enhance long-term profitability for producers. Dr. Catawal and his team have started assessing soil water dynamics and wheat physiology beginning the summer of 2025, being a part of the USDA NACA grant with USDA ARS Northern Plains. They have already installed Syntex soil moisture sensors that measure soil moisture, temperature, and salinity down to a depth of 4 feet at 4-inch depth increments. Additionally, they have been taking measurements such as leaf area index, which indicates how densely photosynthetic leaves are produced by wheat. They also measure leaf water content and chlorophyll content to check how well the wheat is sustaining photosynthetic pigments, and taking hyperspectral image data flying a resonant integrated aerial drone system. Overall, these images will detail wheat physiology and benefits brought by rotation for improving wheat production.